Hey guys, welcome back to Cheshire Pork, and today we're going to be cooking hardwood smoked fix sliced bacon, and with the company Cheshire Pork. Let's get started. Okay guys, this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to have the temperature on medium, and then we're going to be cooking it on a skillet, and then you have the bacon right here, and it might take 10 to 15 minutes, but then you'll have your bacon.
Okay, let's get started cooking this bacon. We're gonna use 3 pieces. Just throw it on there, about like that. You can do 4, but we're just gonna do 3. And so we're gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes to flip it, and then we're gonna wait another 5 to 10 minutes to let it brown. So yeah. Okay, so it's been about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're gonna flip it. And you see, starting to brown right there. We're gonna go ahead and flip it. And, yeah. Okay, so it's been about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're gonna flip it and see how it looks. Okay, you can see how it's browning up a little bit and it's starting to sizzle. When you see those bubbles, you know it's getting done. Okay, so it's been another about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna flip it again. And, oh, that's looking good. See those bubbles? When you know it's solid bubbles on both sides, that's when you know it's ready. But we're gonna let the other side cook a little bit longer and check back in. Okay, so it's been another 5 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip it. And it's bubbling on both sides, so in a second we're gonna go ahead and take it off and put it on the paper towels over here, and then it'll be done. So this one's ready. You can see where both sides are bubbling real good. On the other side too, they're both bubbling real good, so you're gonna go ahead and throw it on there. And this one's good too, bubbling on both sides. Throw it on. Take this one too. It's almost done. We'll let that one sit for a minute. But you're gonna wanna take another paper towel and dab it down, press on it, so you can get all that grease out, and you're gonna have some nice bacon, right off the skillet. Good.